Daisy or TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. Today I've got one hell of a coal mine for you. This is the TMG coal mine, our version of the fire table. This one's loaded up when I tell you. She has got a little bit of everything on it. Let's check it out. Now, first off, this is a bigger size, all right? We'll start off building these 4 foot by 3 foot. This one, 5 foot by 3 foot. So quite a large fire table here. A lot of different stuff going on in here. We've got multiple different griddle grates. Got your big burn down box, all right? Build your fire in there, burn your coals down, use that to cook. We've got these hanging grates here which are adjustable. That's what's nice about having the top rack on this thing. Gives you a lot of adjustability. We've got multiple different attachments that hang off of it. You can see right here, we've got a rotisserie setup. This can be put down very low, go way up high, depending on what you're cooking. Obviously got spit forks on it. We've got baskets for it. We do have our cross on here. Obviously this is on the outside. Typically it'd be pointing around, folded on the inside. It's got a lot going on. This thing does rotate. It's adjustable height and it rotates around. Flip your hog over halfway through the cook, flip it back, boom, you're good to go. We've got bigger grill grates down there, I mean, guys, you know the deal, we can build anything, all right? Got the bird cage on the side here, all right? This is a little oven. It's got a hole on the bottom. You just set the fire right underneath it. You got 2 little sliding grates on that bad boy. I mean, what a setup here. Probably the baddest fire table we ever built. Hey, these are a lot of fun to cook on. If you want to have a bunch of friends, family over, entertain them, this is the way to go right here, folks. The Coal Mine by TMG Pits. Hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.